Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to the Genesis Online Refresher course. So, I hope all your days went well and in this week, Friday and today it is the last class for this week. Again from the next week we will be starting with the verbal training. So, next week will be of verbal training and then next week again the aptitude training will start. Okay. So, well, if we talk about the online course, this will be there for a 30 days, a total of 30 days, in which 15 days are for verbal training and 15 days are for aptitude training. And I'm Shweta Bubli, Senior Trainer of Genesis Training. I'll be handling aptitude training for you. And the class, whether it is verbal or it is aptitude, the class will be from 6 to 7 in the evening. Okay, so which is of 15 hours. Now we already completed 4 hours of our training and let us go for the next one. Now what are the topics that I'll be handling in this 15 hours of course will be, I have divided it into two sections: quantitative aptitude topics and reasoning topics. In quantitative aptitude topics, number system, which I have already completed, percentages, profit and loss, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, averages, mixtures and allegations, ratio, proportion and variations, data interpretation. Next is reasoning topics. In this we'll be handling number series, letter series and coding decoding, blood relation and direction sense, seating arrangement, clocks and calendars. Clear guys? Okay. Now let us talk about something. Okay. See guys, whatever the topics that I will be handling for today and for the next day, okay, will already be mentioned in the description. If you go and check the description from the day one, what all things have been covered and what will be the upcoming classes, everything I have mentioned. And along with that, the timing, all the description is there about the class, and along with that I have given you the Telegram channel link there in the description. So you please join the Telegram channel for any of your queries after once you finish the class, and again for attending the quiz link will be given in the Telegram channel. So if you join it once, and then all the updates will be there, or you can see all the updates in the Telegram channel. Okay, now I have seen your yesterday's quiz report. Most of you, only actually to be honest, only 13 people have attended the quiz. What about the rest of the people, right? Okay, so you are simply attending the class and going, and the quiz is not about some other random topic that I am giving. Whatever the topic that we are taking here, the same topic I am giving there for a quiz. Okay, so even then, why you guys are not attending? Is my question. Why? Okay, so see, this online refresher course is happening for you guys. Okay, it is for your betterment, for you to get placed. Okay, make a full use of it. Means attend the class, and soon after you finish the class, go and attend the test. Take a test and analyze yourself how much you are able to understand it. Okay, so how can you analyze yourself? When you take a test, then you'll understand on your own how much you scored. Okay, how much you understood. And that's what is important, right? And at the end of the day, it is only 10 questions, 10 minutes. Can't you spend 10 minutes on that? Okay, so please do understand the seriousness and make sure you attend the quizzes. Okay, well guys, now what kind of top questions that we will be covering here are, I told you already, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, all these question papers mostly will be model question papers. From there we are picking up the questions. Clear? Okay. Now What's the topic for the day? The topic for the day is time and work. Okay. So in the next class, I'll be taking time, speed and distance. For today's class, it is time and work. Now, before we start solving the questions on time and work, first let us understand some basic notations or formulae which you use generally in the time and work. Okay. So, well, there are different type of questions I can say in time, or type of questions that will be asked in the time and work. One type I can say individual work. Okay. One type of questions is on individual work and another one is a group work. Okay. Now, group work will be, I can say, usually simple one only. Individual work, even this is simple, don't worry. Okay. Now, I'll just give you the difference between both of them. We'll learn some basic differences and some basic concept behind time and work, and then we'll get into the problems. Okay. When it comes to individual work, for example, they'll give you if A work for 2 days to finish a particular work and B takes, for example, 4 days to finish the same work. Let us start with a simple example. Okay. B will take 4 days to finish the same work. If A and B work together, how many days they will take? How many days they'll take to finish the work? Now, there are multiple ways of doing it. In this class, we'll do it with the LCM method. How? I'll tell you now. Now, to find out A and B together will take how many days to finish the work? Simple, you don't have to do anything. First, find, if you want number of days that they work together to finish a work, what all things you need? You need to know how much amount of work is there, correct? And then, if they are taking a number of this to finish the work, what is their per day efficiency? In one day, how much work they can do, right? That I can say efficiency. Okay, it's a symbol and efficiency. What is their per day efficiency? Now you know what is the total work and what is their per day efficiency. Can you find number of days? Yes, we can, right? Now my task is to find the work and efficiency. Do you know work? No, we just know how many number of days they are working, correct? And then do we know efficiency? No. But if you get the work, you can easily get the efficiency. How to get a total work? Simple. Take the LCM of the number of days given. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, right? So 4. Now find, using the work, total work, find the efficiency. Now by looking at this particular formula, take it as a formula. Okay, for individual work, you can consider it as a formula. Now, can I write this efficiency formula as work divided by number of days? Can I do it? Yes, I can, right? Work divided by number of days. Now, what is the work? You know, this is work. Whatever you get here LCM, this itself is your work. Okay, this is your work. Now, if I want it for A, then what is the total work? Total work is 4. And how many days in the total he is taking? A, 2 days. So 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. 2 2s are 4, right? So what is A's efficiency? He can finish 2 units of work per day. What about B? He has to do 4 units of work and he is finishing the whole work in 4 days. So that means it is 4 divided by 4, which is nothing but 1. This is per day. Clear? So B will finish 1 unit of work per day. Clear? Now, what is the total efficiency? A plus B. A plus B is equal to 3. Correct? A plus B, which is equal to 3. Now, try to find the, if A plus B work together, how many days they'll take? Now you know the total work. Total work is again 4. It was not changing. But A plus B together efficiency is how much? 3. So what is the answer? Answer is total number of days that they are taking are 4 by 3. Okay? 4 by 3 days. Or 1 and 1 by 3 days. 1 full day and then 1/3 day. Even this gives you total number of day. 1/3 day. The option can be this or the option can be this. Depending on the option, you can mark your answer. Clear? Okay. So now this method, suppose if it is looking bit too big or something like that, don't worry, you'll understand it easily. Now for you to understand the things clearly, I've given the explanation for each and every word here. Okay. After this, we'll be just using this method and solving the problems. Clear, guys? Okay. Now we are done with the individual work. This is called as individual work. Individually we know the number of days and individually we are finding the work. Next we'll go for a group work. For group work, I'll simply give you some set of formulas and try to remember them. Okay? Well, next. Here, for group work, if I go for a group work, then the things will be like this. If M1 number of people work for D1 number of days and M2 number of people will be working for D2 number of days. Among this, any one will be an unknown. Either M1 or number of days, D1 or M2 or D2. It can be anything. Or if the time is also given. If M1 number of people work for D1 number of days and working some H1 number of hours per day. H1 can be any number of hours. 8 hours per day, 10 hours per day, 12 hours per day. It can be any number of hours. Then M2 number of people will be working for D2 days for H2 number of hours. Then again in this, any one will be an unknown and you have to find that. Clear? So please write down this. Next, suppose if work is also given. Okay. M1 number of people working for D1 number of days, finishing W1 amount of work. Work is also given. Then it is simply M1 D1 by W1 divided by M2 D2 divided by W2. If number of hours is given, then M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 and M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Clear? So I hope you are understanding. Well guys, now here try to remember these formulas. Any one among this will be unknown. You have to find out that one using these formulas. Clear? Okay. Now after once you finish this, okay, let me give you an example for this first. For example, some 20 number of men are working for 10 number of days to finish a work. And if the same work or a different work is done by if some, okay, only 15 members are working on that work, how many days they will take to finish the work? Simple. It is 20 into 10. How will you do? M1 into D1, 20 into 10 divided by this 15. Clear? So you can do it. 2 and 3. 20 into 2, 40. So they will take 40 by 3 days. Or you can even calculate. Okay. 3 ones are 3 1 1 3 9. Okay. 3 threes are. Okay. And then 1 again 3 threes are. So they will take around 13.33 days. Okay. So you can go in this way. Clear? So these kind of questions will be given easy only. Any one will be unknown and you have to find the rest. Next. Now we'll get into the problems. Okay. When you look at the first problem here, what are they saying? Sam can complete a piece of work in 2 days, while Ram can do the same work in 5 days. Calculate the number of days taken by both of them to complete the work. Okay. So I think I was going a bit fast in the last classes. Now I'll give a time of some 10 seconds for you to read and analyze the question, and then I'll start solving it. Okay. So now read and analyze and then we'll start solving the question. Okay. Yeah. So finished reading? Okay. Now let us solve the question. What they are saying, Sam, actually we'll change the pen color to yellow. Yeah. Okay. What they are saying, Sam can complete a piece of work in 2 days. So Sam can complete in 2 days. Next, while Ram can do the same work in 5 days. Ram can do the same work in 5 days. So Ram is taking how many days? He is taking 5 days to finish the same amount of work. Calculate the number of days taken by both of them. What they are saying, both of them to complete the work. Suppose if both of them started working together, then how many number of days they will take to finish the work? That means if Shyam and Ram works together, how many number of days they will take to finish the work? As I told you, we did this thing already. So to find the days, what I need total work divided by efficiency. Correct? So how will you find? The first step is find the LCM of these two, 5 and 2. What is the LCM? LCM is 10. Why? They both are co-prime numbers. You just have to multiply them. 10. 10 means this is a work. So for example, I'll take it as 10 units of work. You can take it as anything. Okay. 10 kgs, 10 kilometers. It can be anything. It can be anything. But it is a work. Okay. Next. Now I have to find the individual efficiency of Sam and Ram. How will you find? Work divided by total number of days. So 10 divided by 2. So the individual work efficiency is 5. That means Sam can finish 5 units of work per day. And then he'll work for 2 days and complete 10 units of work. Ram can finish 10 divided by 5. That is 2 units of work per day. Okay. So that means he'll work for 5 days. 2 into 5, he'll finish 10 units of work. I hope you understood. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 will give me 7. Now what they asked number of days. I know the efficiency now. This is 7 units per day. Okay, efficiency. Work is how much? 10 unit. Okay, let me write the units also for your better understanding. Divided by, this is 7 unit per day. Okay, 7 unit per day. Now, what's happening? 10 unit and unit will get cancelled. What is remaining? Per day is reversed. So, it is 10 by 7 days. Clear? Understood? Okay. Now, I think yellow is not that visible. Yeah. So, 10 divided by 7. Option is option C. The correct answer is option C. Clear, guys? Okay. So, easy, right? You can do it. Now, after some amount of practice, this looks even easier for you guys. Okay. Let me go for the next question now. Okay. Question number 2. Here, James and Michael started constructing wall of equal measurements. Okay. So, James and Michael, they started constructing a wall and which is of a equal measurement. Okay. Both the walls are of equal measurements. Now, what they are saying is, if individually they can complete 12 in 12 and 60 days. If James alone start working on it, then he'll complete it in 12 days. If Michael starts working on that wall, he'll complete that wall in 6 days. Okay. If both work combinedly, determine number of days in which work will complete. Okay. So again the same type of question. Easy. Okay. What they are saying, and this question is asked in Wipro, and the previous one is C. It's asked in Cognizant. Okay. So James will take 12 days, and how much Michael is taking? 6 days. So how will you find? You will find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 12 and 6? 12, because 12 is divisible by 6. Okay, LCM is 12. One sec. Okay, let me go with black actually. So 12. Now what is the efficiency of James? 12 divided by 12, that is he can finish 1 unit per day. What about the efficiency of Michael? 12 divided by 6. That means 2 per day. Correct? Now what is the efficiency? Total is 3. Total efficiency is 3. Correct? Now how many number of days they will take? If the efficiency is 3 per day and total work is 12. So it is work divided by efficiency. 12 divided by 3. How much? 4 days. If they both start working together, they'll take 4 days to finish the work. So which option? Option B is your correct answer. Clear? So anybody, any doubt guys? Any one of you? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can comment it in the comment box. Clear? If not, we can go ahead. Any doubts? Anybody? Whatever we learned till now, is it clear? Yes? Okay. Well, if it is clear, then let us go for the next one. I don't know. I cannot see. I'm not being able. Okay, okay. Fatima Kausar. No doubt. Okay, Fatima. So let us go further then. Okay. Third question and the options. There are 3 trucks A, B, C. Okay. So there are 3 trucks. One is truck A, truck B and truck C. A loads 10 kg per minute. B loads 13 and 13 1 by 3 kg per minute. C unloads. They both are loading. Okay. And C unloads 5 kg per minute. Okay. So the C is unloading. Nothing but a negative work. If 3 simultaneously work, then what is the time taken to load 2.4 tons is the question. Okay. So let us write them first properly. What they are saying? Okay. All of you read the question? Take 10 seconds and read the question and then we'll get into the question. Okay guys. Now I assume that all of you read the question and let us solve the questions now. There are 3 trucks. What is truck A, B and C? What they are saying, A loads means positive work is happening. That is 10 kg per minute. Okay. And what second is B loads how much? 13 1 by 3 kg per minute. Okay. We can also write it in the, instead of this mixed fraction, we'll just write it in the fraction. How will you do it? 13 multiplied by 3, 13 3s are 39 and you will add this 1. So 39 plus 1, 40 divided by 3 kg per minute. Okay. Next, C. What they are saying about C? C unloads. So unload, how will you write unload? Simple. You can write it as a negative. This question I can also say a negative work kind of question. Okay. Unloads how many kgs? 5 kg per minute. Per minute we are talking about. Okay. Next. If 3 simultaneously work, if all 3 of them work simultaneously, then what is the time taken to load 2.4 tons? Okay, all of them have to work simultaneously. Now let us find out how much time in per minute, if all of them work simultaneously, in 1 minute all of them together finish how much amount of work first. Okay, so that we can go further and try to calculate for 2.4 tons, right? So if we got to know in 1 minute how much, in 1 minute how much work they can finish, then I can say okay, this is the amount of work, total work is 2.4 ton and in 1 minute they are working so much. So to finish this work, how much work how much time they will take. Simple. Again the same question. The same formula, work divided by efficiency, is giving me total number of days. The same thing, they are asking for this days. Instead of days, it is in terms of hours, no other difference. And work is already given, which is 2.4 tons. We just have to find the efficiency. Here the efficiency is in terms of minute. Okay, so instead of giving anything, they are directly given you the efficiency here. Okay, now we'll find the total efficiency, put into this formula and clear. Okay, so let us do this. How will you find the work done per minute? Simple, add all of them. 10 plus 40 by 3 plus 5. So how much it will give? 10 plus 40 by 3. If you take a LCM and then 3 will be your LCM. 10 3s are 30 and then 40 same, and 5 3s are 15. Sorry, this is minus, unloading minus. So my mistake. 30 plus 40, 70, 70 minus 15. So how much? 55 by 3 kg per minute. Okay, this is 3 kg per minute. Now if I want for 1 kg, how much time they will take? Okay, 55 kg they are doing per minute. So to load 1 kg, how much time they will take? Simple, you just have to reverse this, then you'll get it in terms of minute. Kg and kg will 3 divided by 55 minute. This is for 1 kg. Okay, so for 1 kg they are taking so much of time. Now I want for 2.4 tons. Now the next thing is 2.4 tons means in 1 ton how many kgs are there? Okay, just remember this last value 3 by 55 and I'll go for the next slide. Okay, okay, now here. So what we did for 1 kg, how much time they are taking? 3 divided by 55 minutes. We stopped it here. Okay, now for 2.4 tons, how much time they will take is the question. Correct. Now 1 kg 3 by 55, we have to go for 2.4 tons and 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. If you multiply all of them and you will get the answer. Okay, so start doing it. Now instead of taking it as 2.4, I can also shift this decimal point to the right and cancel 1 0. Both are same. Okay, then it becomes 3 into 24 into 100 divided by 55. Okay, so please do multiply all of them. 24 into 3, how much? 72, and there are 2 zeros. 7200 divided by 55. Start dividing it by 5. 5 11s are 5 1, 2 is remaining, and 5 4s are, and then again 2 is remaining, and then 5 4s are 1440. So this is nothing but 1440 divided by 11. Okay, so anything else is remaining? Okay, now simplify this to get the final answer. What is the answer? 11 into 24, this becomes 24 by 11. Okay, now after you finish this, whatever answer is coming here, this you have to convert in terms of hours. How will you do it? If it is 24 divided by 11, can I take it as 11 2s are mixed fraction, 2 and then 2 will be remaining, 2 by 11. Correct? That means approximately this 2 is 2 hours and 2 by 11 approximately 10 minutes. Clear? Okay. Now go back. So option is, okay, you have B. Okay. So thing is, I am trying to explain you all the points clearly so that in any point if you get any of the doubts, it should be clear for you guys. Clear? Okay. Now let us go for the next question. Okay. Fourth question. Here. What is the question here? there are 250 men and 150 women in a committee. If all will work, they will complete 15 units per day. If all of them work. If all men work, they are talking about men. If all men work, they will complete 12 units per day. How many units will women complete per day is a question. Okay. So take 10 seconds of time and read and try to analyze this question. Any doubt in the last question? Anybody? Any doubt? Okay. Now let us solve this question. There are 250 men and 150 women in a committee. Okay. If all will work, they will complete 15 units per day. So how many men? 250. And how many women? 150. If all of them, means 250 plus 450, if 400 of them work, they'll complete it in 15 units per day. If only men work, how many men? 250 men work, then they will complete 12 units per day. How many units will women complete per day? See, the things are given in per day and they are asking the answer also in per day. If you want 150 women, this is for women, how many days? What you will do? Simply subtract 15 minus 12, which is 3 units per day. So your answer is simple, option B. Clear? Next, question number 5. So read the question and try to solve it. Oh, I didn't give any of them for your assignment. Okay. Well, I'll give the assignments later. Quizzes. Okay. Jack is 3 times as good as Cody. If they finish a piece of work together in 15 days, calculate the number of days taken by Jack alone to finish the work. Okay. So what they're saying, Jack is 3 times as good as Cody. That means if Cody can finish any of the work in 3 days, for that Jack will take only 1 day to finish the work. Okay. That means he is taking only 1 day. Reverse, or again if you take the, you can directly take the efficiency also. Efficiency of Cody per day is only 1, 3 by 3, and efficiency of Jack is 3 by 1, efficiency is 3. If Cody can finish only 1 unit per day, Jack can finish 3 units in a day. So if both of them work together, they will take how many days? 4 units per day. Okay. But together they are working for how many days? 15 days. So 4 into 15. Okay. How much unit of work? That is 60 units of work. Now what they are saying, calculate the number of days taken by Jack alone to finish the work. Okay. So you have to calculate the number of days taken by Jack alone to finish the work. What is the efficiency of Jack? 3. So you know total work, you know the efficiency, that is 3. Can you find the number of days for Jack? 60 divided by 3. So Z is equal to 20 days. You will get total number of days, 20 days. Answer is option A. Clear? Yeah, Vikram, 20. Correct, Vikram. Next, try this. John, James and Jerry can complete task in 6, 12 and 8 days respectively if they get paid rupees 1350 for a task completion total. All of them together are taking so many number of days and working, and after they finish it they are getting 1350 for a task completion. What is James share is the question. Okay, so first to get the James share you should also first find out what is his efficiency per day, correct? Okay, first let us do that. John is taking how many days? 6 days to finish a work. And how much James is taking? He is taking 12 days to finish the work. Okay, how much Jerry is taking? Jerry is taking 8 days to finish the work. Now what are their efficiency? First try to find the efficiency. How will you find the efficiency? LCM. What is the LCM of 6, 12 and 8? 24. Now what are the efficiency? Instead of writing somewhere I am just writing efficiency here. 24 divided by 6. So 4 efficiency. The efficiency of James is 24 divided by 12 which is 2. What is the efficiency of Jerry? 24 divided by 8 which is 3. Correct? Okay. Now I want to know each of their efficiency. Now what they are asking? They are asking the share of James alone. That means what is the share of James is the question. What is the efficiency? His efficiency 2 out of all these together. They are working together, right? So you have to take all of them together. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay. So 2 by 9 is the total comparative efficiency of James. So its share should be 2 by 9 of the total amount. 1350. Okay. Now try to find the answer. How will you do it? Is it divisible by 9? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. Yes, that means the number is divisible by 9. Now I already explained you the divisibility rules of 9, right? Okay. 9 ones are, this is again 9 ones are, 4 is remaining, and I'm so sorry guys. Okay, so 9 5s are 45 and 0 as it is. Now 2 into 150, how much? 300 rupees. This is the share of James. Answer is option D. Clear? Okay. Answer is option D. Now try to solve the next question. Question number 7. Options. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 4 days Y joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last is the question. Okay, so try to do it. Okay, read the question at least. I'll help you to do it. Okay, all of you read the question? Okay, then let me solve it. What they're saying, X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days. Means X can do a work in 20 days and Y can do a piece of work in 12 days. X and Y started the work. Okay, X started the work alone and then after 4 days Y joined. So in the beginning 4 days only X is working. Okay, after that Y will join and then they both together will complete the work. Now before we get into that, first we have to find out what is the total amount of work. What is the total amount of work? How will you find? Take a LCM. What is the LCM of 20 and 12? LCM is 60. See, I am assuming that all of you know how to find the LCM because which is already taught, okay, in the first number system class only. So that's why I am not doing it again. So the total work is 60 units. Now let us find out, to find how much work A will finish in this 4 days, First, let me find the efficiency of X per day. In one day, how much work he can finish, so that I can find his 4 days work. How much work he can finish in a day? 60 divided by 20, which is 3. How much work he can finish in Y can finish? What is his efficiency per day? 60 divided by 12. So what is 60 by 12? Which is 5. Okay. So, but I need, as of now, I need only X efficiency, because in the beginning 4 days only X is working. Okay. Now, X can finish 3 units per day and he is working for 4 days. So, that means 3 into 4, 12. So, in 4 days he can finish 12 units of work. And after that, Y is joined. Okay, now Y joins. After he finished this 12 units, X finished this 12 units, now Y joins, and then X and Y will work together. Okay, but do they have to work all this, finish all the 60 units? No, right? Because already in this 60 unit, 12 units has been finished. So subtracted. 60 minus 12. How much? 48 units is remaining. And this 48 units of work, both X and Y has to do. For this, you take a total efficiency now, because they both are working. So I need per day efficiency of X also, I need per day efficiency of Y also. What is the total efficiency? 3 plus 5, which is 8. Now divide this total work by the total efficiency of X and Y. You will get total how many days they will take to finish this 48 units. So how much? 48 divided by 8. Okay. 8 6 are 48, so they will take 6 days. Okay. So X and Y together are working for 6 days, and X alone is working in the beginning for 4 days. Okay. Now, what is the question? Why join him? Okay. How long did the work last? They are not asking this. They are asking totally how long they took. How long did the work last? Okay. So, total how many days the work took to finish? Beginning 4 days where A alone worked, and then 6 days where both of them worked. So, it is 4 plus 6. It took total 10 days to get finished. So, the option is answer A is your correct answer. Clear, guys? Understood? Okay. I hope you understood, and let us go for the next question now. Thinking that you all understood the answers. Okay, next question and answers. Yeah, please try solving this. Anybody, any doubt till here? I think you guys are too lazy to reply, right? Ma'am, you only ask the question, you only answer. Will simply sit and listen, doing nothing. Are you guys at least trying to solve them? Even that is a doubtful now. And why the number of strength has been reduced? Live chat, only 34 people. Okay. I hope you read the question. Let me do it. If a pipe A can fill a tank in 40 minutes, pipe B can fill the same tank in 30 minutes, how long will it take for both the pipes together to fill the tank? Same, the first question which I did. A is taking 40 minutes and pipe B is taking 30 minutes to fill the tank. How long will they take if both the pipes start filling it together? What you will do? Simple, you will find the LCM. What is the LCM of 30 and 40? LCM is 120. So what is the efficiency of A? 120 divided by 43. Okay. What is the efficiency of B? 120 divided by 30. 4. Correct? Efficiency. Now what is the total efficiency? 7. And total work is 120. Per day efficiency is 7. So they'll take 120 divided by 7 days. If they simplify it right there, you can also simplify it to mix the fraction and get the answer. If they are not doing it, you don't have to do it. Means if they have not given such options. Here 125/7 option is there. You can directly mark it and move to the next question. Clear? Okay. Now I feel all of you have understood time and work, learned and solved all these questions, and I hope even the questions were easy, right? Now I'll give some 1-2 questions for you guys to solve. Okay? Solve this. Okay, I think I have taken this question. Okay, this one. And your time starts now. This time I have not given the options for you guys. Okay? Don't mind. Try solving it even. I think you can do it. Answers please. Answers. Okay. So why? Is it tough? It's not. And still why you're not getting the answer? Well, A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in, is the question. Simple, right? What they're saying, first write all of them. A can do in 16 days. B can take how many days? B can do in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days. That means it is simply A plus B plus C. Can I say this? Yes, 7. Okay. We'll see. 7. Some is Jyoti is saying 10. Deva is saying 7. Okay, we'll check it out. Is it correct or wrong? And A plus B plus C. Together it is taking 4 days. Simple. Again the same method. Find the LCM of all these numbers. What is LCM of 16, 12 and 4? Simple. 48. Okay. How to find LCM? I told you. Now find the efficiency of each of them. 48 divided by 16. What is the value? 6, 3, 8. Okay. And then 48 divided by 12, which is 4. And then 48 divided by 4, which is 12. Okay. Next, what you have to do is find the if. They are asking for only C alone. If you want for C alone, can I do this? Here it is A plus B plus C. In this total, if I subtract A and B, can I get only C? It is A plus B plus C, which is 12. If I subtract A minus, that is, what is the value of A? 3 minus B, that means 4. So what has happened? A plus A and B plus A plus minus get cancelled. So 12 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. So 12 minus 7, 5. Okay. That means this is the efficiency of 5 units per day is the efficiency of C. Now you got to know the efficiency of C alone. It is simple. Just divide total work by efficiency of C. So what is the answer? We'll write it in the, if only this much is given, you will write 48 divided by 5 days. If it is given in, if they ask it in the mixed fraction, then convert this into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction will be 9 5s are 45 and then 3 remaining divided by 9 3 by 5 days. 9 and 3/5 days is the answer. Clear? You can go with this as well. Well, next we'll go for one more problem. And here again no options, please. Okay, try to answer this question at least. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Is the question. And oh, let me give a timer. And your time starts now. Yes, guys. Answers, please. I think only Jyoti Rai is active in the class today. Others? What you guys are doing? Took a nice rug and sleeping up? Try doing it. Same method again. I am not saying any method here. Simple. You have to find the work, find the efficiency and then do it. Simple. Try. Answers, please. Anybody? Okay, no answer. Oh, 15 days. Someone said 15 days. Vikram. Okay, correct Vikram. 15 days is the answer. Great. At least one guy is answering. Rest all are sleeping. Yamuna Shri 15. Okay, nice Yamuna. Correct answer. Okay. Jyoti Rai 15. Vikram 15. Oh, 15 is correct, sir. Yeah, 15 correct. A, B and C can do a piece of work. Others, please do listen. A can do in 20 days, B can do the same work in 30 days and C can do it in 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Okay, means on every third day only B and C are working, but A is working all the days. Okay, so they are asking for how many days A is working. Simple. Don't complicate the things. First, try to find the efficiency. Work. What is the LCM of these? Simple. 60. 60 is divisible by all three of them. So 60 units is the work, total work. What is the efficiency of A? 60 divided by 20, which is 3. What is the efficiency of B? 60 by 30, 2. What is the efficiency of C? 60 divided by 60, which is 1. Correct? Now, you don't have to add all of them now. What they are saying? They are differentiating into days. First day, who is working? Only A alone working. That means 3 units of work is completing because A's efficiency is 3 on first day. On second day, again A alone is working. That means another 3 units of work will get completed on the second day. But on the third day, here A alone, here A alone. On the third day, A plus B plus C. All 3 of them are working. Now, find the total efficiency. How much it is? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Total efficiency, per day efficiency, which is 6. Correct? Now, 3 plus 3 plus 6, 12. Means 12 units of work is happening in 3 days. Correct? How much work is remaining? 60. Now, let us divide 60 divided by 12. What I'll get? I'll get 5. Okay. So, that means I need 5 such cycles to finish 60 units of work. And one cycle is having 3 days. One cycle will get completed in 3 days. Correct? So, total how many days they are working? 5 into 3, 15 days. Not all of them. A is working for total 15 days. Why? Because he is working on all the days. Correct? If they ask for B, what you will do? You will say only 5, because out of this 5 total cycles and which is having 3 days, all of them are working only for 1 day, together for only 1 day. So, if they ask for B, you will say only 5 days. If they would have asked for C, you will again say only 5 days. Now they are asking for A and A is working on all the days, so it is 15 days. Clear? I hope all of you understood. Now let us end the session, and if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment box, and please join the Telegram channel and attend the quiz today at least. Okay? We actually don't have to request you guys to attend the quizzes. Okay, it's your responsibility to attend the quiz. Okay, so well, any doubt guys? Anybody, any doubt? If you have any doubt, I'll give you 5 minutes. Please do ask your queries. No doubts? No. Okay, Jyoti. Thank you. Others? Another 2 minutes and then I'll end the session. If you have any doubts, make sure you type it and send it. You can also ask your questions in Telegram channel. See guys, if you are not asking your doubts and you are not answering, that means it just shows that you are not responsible. Okay, you are not serious about your career. As simple as that. Okay, Nikita, no doubts? Okay, great. Are you guys attending the quizzes really? Okay, if none of you are having any doubts, let us end the session. Thank you so much and have a nice evening. I'll share the test link in the group and make sure you attend it.